The AI wars just leveled up. OpenAI, Google, Nvidia, Samsung, IBM, everyone dropped game-changing updates this week. From apps inside ChatGPT to Google's autonomous web browsing AI. This might be the biggest week in AI since GPT-4. OpenAI just announced a major update at Dev Day 2025. Developers can now build and run interactive apps directly inside ChatGPT. Starting Monday, users can access apps like Spotify, Expedia, Coursera, and Figma within chats, with ChatGPT suggesting or summoning them naturally. A new apps SDK lets developers create adaptive, personalized apps powered by the Model Context Protocol. OpenAI says this move will make ChatGPT a true all-in-one tool for productivity, creativity, and learning. Google's DeepMind has unveiled Gemini 2.5 Pro computer use, a new version of its flagship LLM that can navigate websites, fill out forms, and take actions online from a single text prompt. The model, demoed through a partnership with BrowserBase, outperformed OpenAI and Anthropic in several interface control benchmarks. Unlike other AI agents, Gemini 2.5 doesn't access local files. It interacts directly with web and app interfaces. Developers can use it through Google AI Studio and Vertex AI, with paid-tier access only. Google says the model is a major step toward general-purpose, autonomous AI agents. Samsung researcher Alexia Joly-Kermartino has unveiled the Tiny Recursion Model, TRM, a 7 million parameter neural network that rivals or beats massive models like O3, Mini, and Gemini 2.5 Pro on reasoning tests. By using recursive reasoning to refine its own answers, TRM proves that smarter AI may come from recursion, not scale, all while running on minimal hardware and open-sourced under the MIT license. At Tech Exchange 2025 conference, IBM unveiled Project Bob, AgentOps, and a Langflow integration to help enterprises modernize legacy code, govern AI agents, and bridge the gap from prototype to production. IBM says its multi-model orchestration and governance tools mark a shift from building AI agents to safely scaling them in real-world environments. Researchers at Nvidia have introduced reinforcement learning pre-training, RLP, a new method that teaches language models to think before they predict. By integrating reinforcement learning into the pre-training stage instead of the end, RLP helps models develop reasoning skills early on, leading to stronger performance on complex tasks. Nvidia reports up to 17 to 35% gains in reasoning benchmarks, suggesting RLP could reshape how future AI learns to reason. Enterprises scaling AI are running into a hidden slowdown. Static speculators can't keep up with changing workloads. Together AI's new Atlas, adaptive learning speculator system, solves this with self-learning inference that adapts in real time, delivering up to 400% faster performance, and even matching specialized AI chips like Grok. The system learns from live traffic, tuning itself automatically as workloads evolve. Google and AWS are rolling out full-stack AI agent platforms, Gemini Enterprise and Quick Suite, to keep employees working within one ecosystem, removing the friction of switching windows. Both aim to centralize enterprise AI workflows, integrating with popular tools so users can access agents directly from their everyday workspace. Researchers from the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign and Google Cloud AI have introduced ReasoningBank, a framework that lets AI agents learn from both successes and failures by storing distilled reasoning strategies as reusable memory. When paired with test time scaling, it helps agents avoid past mistakes, adapt faster, and outperform traditional memory systems on complex web and coding tasks. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.